Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, February 13th, and this is my analysis of the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So we do have CPI inflation data for the US dollar coming out today. I mean, that is a big news event for the dollar, and hopefully it will continue the uptrend because I still am very bullish on these higher time frames. I still think it needs to make a nice five-way pattern to the upside, which most likely will go up and take out these highs, heading up to one of these three Fibonacci extension levels to finish what I think is actually part of a correction to the downtrend. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still believe we're already in a wave three. I think that wave C of wave two ends right here. I think this is a one, two, three of getting ready to form. Hopefully the wave three is going to start today because that's going to be a really good opportunity for us to maybe build a position to the long side on shorter time frames. Now going down to the daily, I mean, it still looks like a one, two, three, four, five or an A, B, C, D, E. We definitely got a nice Fibonacci bounce. I'm still, for some reason, mostly because of correlated pairs, leaning towards the idea that this actually could go down again before it actually does go up. I mean, I still would like to see it take out the low wave four, but we really can't ignore the fact that this looks like a five-wave correction. We got a Fibonacci bounce. We definitely got an impulsive move to the upside. Hopefully, what happens is it does continue up, confirming that this really is the end of a wave two, that we really are going up for a wave three. Because if we really are going up for that big wave three, then we're going to be looking for longs for probably at least the next few months. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame is where I still got my Fibonacci retracement on here. I'm still looking at this move up as a possible A, B, C correction. So like I said, if it does make a big Fibonacci bounce, if it does make a big engulfing move to the downside at the news, I would actually take it as a short. I still don't really see for sure that this wave E is over on the daily time frame and up. Now, on the other hand, if the news causes us to just keep on going up, then that's really good news for us because that's going to tell me that I'm in the clear to start looking for longs on these sort of time frames because that's pretty much going to tell me that we really are in that big wave three. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame, I would definitely be watching this very closely. We are approaching the 61.8. If it makes a big impulsive engulfing move to the downside at the news, I would actually take it as the end of an ABC correction and I would definitely go short. But I definitely wouldn't go short unless I see this picture right here because, like I was saying, I mean, it could just keep on going up. And honestly, I kind of hope that it does keep on going up because that would confirm to me that we really are in a wave three on like the daily, weekly time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.